Jordan Brand revives its cross-training legacy in fall 2025 with the Trunner OS, spotlighting the Cave Stone colorway. Designed with both performance and lifestyle appeal, the sneaker features a rugged mix of materials, mesh underlays, suede mudguard, and durable synthetic overlays. The standout detail is a bold TPU midfoot cage in Cave Stone, complemented by row places and a shortened, wider metal heel clip inspired by the Trunner LX. Drawing comparisons to New Balance's 990 V6, this model straddles function and streetwear cool. Color accents like Moon Particle and the midsole and Ridgerock on the lining echo the upcoming Jordan 4 Cave Stone. Slated to drop globally by late September, the Trunner OS will also release in University Red and Archeo Brown. Priced at $115, it's a bold re-entry into the non-basketball category for Jordan Brand. Expect availability via Nike.com and select retailers.